This is the caliper and this is the disc, and here you can see the nipple. By unscrewing this you can release the pressure inside the brake caliper. Once you have removed the wheel, you will be able to see the brake pads like this, and it is not that much rusted. And from this side also you can see the other brake pads. See, the piston is there and the brake pads are here. To unscrew this nipple you may need number 10 box, and it goes like this. See, the oil is coming out now. Again tight it bit, otherwise all the oil will drain out. Please remind to wash this after unscrewing this, because the brake oil is very toxic to these kind of rubber things, and make sure to wash this with pure water. You may need number 12 inch to unscrew these two bolts. Make sure to loosen them before replacing the brake pads. And it goes like this way to tight and this way to loose. Likewise you can apply it like this. See the issues. See, there are some issues on this side. This is what I brought, genuine Maruti Suzuki parts, and we'll see what is inside. This is the brake pad, brand new one, and see the difference. This one is having less thickness and this one is having a big thickness, and it means we may need to replace this. This is the brake pad guard, and you may need to keep it like this, only this side having this guard. Apply some rubber grease before install this, because only rubber grease, not the crude oil grease. There's a special term, because these rubber o-rings and rubber springs are getting worn out if you use other kind of grease or something. Make sure that you will apply this rubber grease. These two sides and to this piston side also. Before applying this side, you may need to loosen this bit, otherwise you may not be able to install the other part of the brake caliper. I will show you how this caliper goes on when I press the brake pedal from the front side, and I will put it on the slow motion. It will be easier you to see how it is go through this way. Make sure to check the oil level of the upper side also, otherwise if you don't have enough oil on this side, this won't work. In the brake fluid cap they have mentioned that only to use the .3 brake fluid, otherwise if you use .4 the thickness will be different and brake washers and brake pumps will worn out. Now do the same thing to the other side also. Now refill the drained amount, otherwise your brake system may not work. You can see the oil level easily.